Hi everyone, today we're going to run through one of our Kenwood radios and how you can upgrade your tractor to DAB. The great thing about this Kenwood radio is it is packed full of features. There are multiple ways that you can play your music, either through Bluetooth, which is compatible for both Android and Apple, if you're old school, through the CD player, or you have both the USB and aux input. Some of the other features that come with this radio are Alexa, which is built in. It also has a microphone, so you can be hands-free and take any calls on the move. Now, let's dive in and see what's inside the box. Now, when we open our box, we have a DAB splitter. Now we're going to need this and either a roof-mounted DAB antenna or a glass-mounted antenna to convert our tractor from FM to DAB. Now, carrying on, we have our instruction manual. We have our wiring loom to connect the radio to the tractor. We also have our microphone, and lastly, we have the radio itself. Now we've seen what's inside the box, let's head over to the farm and show you how to fit the radio and upgrade your tractor. First up, let's remove the radio. We then need to take out the different plugs. And that's our old radio removed. After pulling all of our pins back in, we can then remove the outer housing. We then need to grab the new housing for our new Kenwood radio and place this where the old housing was. We can now get our radio and start wiring it into our tractor. So we still have FM. We plug in the original aerial cable. We then need to get our wiring loom, which was inside the box, and plug this into our radio. Then we can plug it straight into our tractor. Next, we need to wire in our glass-mounted DAB aerial so we can pick up a DAB signal. We've now fed the aerial through and connected it to our radio. We then have our microphone, which we can also plug in and then feed through. Now we've fed our microphone through, we can put it in place on our cab. Once in place, this now means that we can take calls hands-free on the move. And we're now ready to slide our radio back in to the metal housing. So we've now put our radio in place, so we're ready to turn the ignition on to check that it works. And just like that, our new radio is fitted. Now, if you have any questions about our Kenwood radios or how to fit them, drop a comment down below. Now I'm off to the field to listen to some music.